We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got stock number CP15493T. This is a 2017 Ram 2500 Laramie. This Laramie's got the chrome bumper, front park assist, chrome grille, high intensity headlamps. Got the alloy wheels, 18-inch tires. These are LT 275/70 R18s. This is equipped with the Cummins turbo diesel, and it is a Ram 2500 heavy duty. Do have it equipped with the trailer tow mirrors that just flip out and flip back down. Gives you more visibility when you're towing. Do have the rear backup camera as well as the rear park assist, 7 and 4 pin hookup for your wiring, and it does have the hitch receiver on it. Exterior condition, as I look around, is in good condition. Tire and wheel condition is in good condition. No dents, scratches of any kind as we walk around, as well as the passenger side. This is a 4x4 vehicle. Taking a look at the inside. Do have the leather interior with the power driver's seat as well as the power passenger seat. Does have memory seats. On these tow mirrors, it does have a button that you can hit the button and those tow mirrors will turn in if you're trying to get into a tight spot. You just hit the button and they go back out. Of course, we do have power windows and locks, tilt steering, cruise control, automatic headlamps. Does have a split bench, so the center console does go up. And you could put 6 passengers in this vehicle if you need to be. Has the Laramie trim all the way around. Heated seats, ventilated seats, and heated steering wheel. Power sliding rear window. Of course, all your crew cabs have the storage compartments underneath the mats here. Store some things in there. There's the sleeve for the tow package. Pop up inside and get a better look at the inside. It's got an 8.4 touchscreen radio. Once again, automatic temperature controls. Has a brake controller. Is a 4-wheel drive system with the select dial. Interior condition is in good shape. Center console here in the back seat folds down for some cup holders. A lot of your information comes up on your radio screen, which is a touchscreen radio. Plenty of outlets for USB, 115 volt AC and inverter. Back seats do fold up. Got a fold flat storage that you can pull out and make a flat floor. Lights up on the seats to help you see what's in the back as far as at nighttime. Again, this is a Ram 2500 with the Cummins turbo diesel in silver color. Located here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Piqua, Ohio. For more information on this and any other commercial vehicles that we may have, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.